Hey guys, how's it going? How to understand Pokemon TCG card evolution lines. So first of all, key points about Pokemon evolution lines. The basic Pokemon, the starting point of an evolution line, and can be played directly onto the bench without any preconditions. Example like Pikachu. Okay, in stage 1, the Pokemon evolves from basic a Pokemon, right? You must have a corresponding basic Pokemon in play to evolve it. And example like Raikou evolves from Pikachu, okay? And you have the stage 2 Pokemon evolves from stage 1 Pokemon. It requires corresponding stage 1 Pokemon in play. Example, Charizard evolves from Charmeleon, okay? And you have the state evolution rules, which is you cannot evolve the Pokemon the same turn it was played unless a card effect says otherwise. And each Pokemon can only evolve once per turn. And you have the special evolution types. You have the V, V Max, and V Star. Some Pokemon like V Pokemon can evolve into V Max or V Star following special rules, of course. And information on cards evolution is shown on the top left corner by going to your cards, like evolves from which, right? And match the name and artwork of the Pokemon to ensure proper evolution. Like example, for basics, a Charmander stage 1, Charmeleon stage 2, Charizard, okay? And basically understanding the evolution lines is critical for building and playing the deck effectively. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.